How to find drafts on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Now go to your feed and open your drafts. You can view all your drafts on TikTok over here. Then open the draft you want to post from here. Here you can add a caption and also manage other settings before posting. Following these steps, you can easily find drafts on TikTok. This gives you more control over your TikTok experience. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.